finally get to Long Island and it rains, so nice ass cheeks, Pete. Let's go see Big Mac's crispy ski. Kyle, where you at?
Yo, how cool this thing is though. Kyle! What's taking you so
Dude, this ski is sick.
Forever.
How are you? I just had an
What's up, Mackie?
Hey, buddy. Ow!
Ooh, that had
I just had an onion omelet, so I gotta brush my teeth real fast.
Shit, twice today.
So you got the SJ ready to roll or what?
Yeah, she's.
I saw you letting her
I had
walk.
to choke it. I had to choke it.
You
You like it?
cut.
I wanted a mullet, but I was like too afraid to fully commit to it. But it's there.
Oh, it's getting there.
Way less of a walk to the water.
Yeah, let's just do that.
But he might get pissed. He might be like, "Why use my ramp?"
Oh,
Like,
I didn't realize.
Oh, sorry, man.
No, we're from Jersey. It's fine.
Here he is. Hello?
Yeah.
They just got to my house, so we're gonna come down.
Okay, we're leaving the boat in a second, so we'll just meet you at the boat ramp.
Oh, well, yeah. Give us a few minutes. I still gotta get my shit together here.
Jesus Christ, Kyle, you had 4 fucking hours.
Yeah, but I think I might just drop my ski onto theirs, cause we're gonna have to carry him anyway, and it's raining. I don't have a top on my Jeep, dude.
Fuck.
Listen. I'll tell you what.
Peter, relax.
Count to 1,000 and then leave the boat.
Shut the fucking motor off. Count to 1,000.
Peter, you're worrying way too much, man.
All right,
Wait,
we'll get
ask
there
him.
as soon as
Yo,
possible.
ask him if it's raining over there.
He said it's not. He said it's not.
There we go, Pete.
I don't like beer.
He don't like beer, but he's not drinking because I gave it to him.
Why?
Because Fody gave me a nice Budweiser, I have a nice beer.
And it's 4th of July.
Cheers, folks. Cheers, Pete.
Cheers, buddy.
You like the cut, dude?
Kyle, you like my car? I got skin
Right
fade.
out of 1985.
Fody, I've never seen you with a fade. I'm kind of digging.
Kyle, you're looking good,
It's
man.
gonna be a good weekend. We made it out here. Right? I feel like I got croaky.
You can make him tight.
Kyle, you literally look like you're out of the 80s right
Look at
now.
this suit. My dad's from 1990.
Kyle, fuck.
I think it can be done. It's just water.
So how many fireworks you got, Petey?
Enough.
Pulls up to the guy. I don't mean to be like a dipshit.
Oh wow, you're not kidding.
Put him in.
Hey, what's up, guys? So just on my buddy's boat, not mentioning whose boat it is, but so this is it, man, for the 4th of July. Don't worry, we got the nice shitter in here. Oh wait, yo, this freaking bathroom's sick.
Yeah, you just redid part of it.
Dude, that bathroom looks awesome. With the lights and everything in it. I can take a poop in peace.
Huh?
I can poop in peace in there. I'm gonna have such a nice shit.
Yeah, you gotta flush like 4 different times.
Are you serious?
Yeah, you're gonna have to break it up.
Where's the bed?
Oh, we're gonna be on.
Don't worry, Pete.
No, I'm saying I'll sleep on that too.
Well,
I don't really care.
me and Pete are gonna cuddle tonight.
All three of us.
Yeah.
You wanna cuddle with us, Bodie?
No, I got my
Dad's
own bed.
dead. Just
No.
put the camera down.
Oh yeah, just in my boxers. Don't mind me. I forgot a bathing suit. Come on, Petey. I know you want a sandwich.
Oh my god. Yeah, how's the Italian, folk?
We didn't open it yet, but
Dude, it's so cool in here.
we had the AC running
What's
for a
this
while.
here?
Russian dressing.
This boat's so cool.
He said don't get sick.
Hi, Kyle.
Now we'll just get
Those are older ones. These are a little bit bigger.
Good to go.
Have an easier time.
Didn't take the Superjet out, Bodie?
Looking blonde, man.
What? Thumbs up.
Yeah, hair's light.
Someone here,
So-
here, and you lift it, and all the I did this literally in the Gulf.
Pete's ski's sinking.
Alright, come on.
No.
More than 5. Dude, that's pretty bad.
All right, here, look. Let's just
Jesus!
I'll record it, don't worry.
No, No, you gotta lift it all the way up or it's gonna be in the water. Yeah, someone has to get on this side.
Peter, you gotta be on the top. I got the heaviest hand.
Hold on. There.
Let go.
No, we're not. You can't just go to the side. It's in the well. No, upside down.
Hey, let's do it.
Here. All the way. We lift it all the way upside down. Like, till it's upside down.
Yes. Put the handlebar. Get the bars.
Is it out?
If your bars go in the sand, that's alright. The good thing was last time it happened, Pete was drunk. It made everything nicer. Yeah.
I was hammered. I just saved it to Dan. Just don't go fast.
I'm gonna be like basically item. I think it's not long enough.
No, you don't need that long of a line as long as it doesn't get sucked in your propeller.
Yeah, just do this, loop it through the front, and then I'll fly it to that side, and we'll go.
Oh, fuck you, Superjet! Fuck you! Dude, it literally sucked.
It did, I know.
I cracked it open.
So Pete sunk his Superjet, and now we got to tow 3 miles back.
Dan, let's go ask this dude if we can jump his wake.
Oh, hell yeah. Yo, you don't care if we jump him? Alright, no problem, dude. The lesson we have learned today, Petey, is no more submarining.
I just kept submarining.
Did not care one bit. Hey, Pete. Want to be in a vlog?
I didn't kill him.
Long Island!
Gotta chill on Long Island. It's always fun in LI. You can't trust anyone from Jersey, though.
You don't come from Jersey.
I am from Jersey.
But you said you can't trust anyone from Jersey.
Technically, I was born and raised in Staten Island, so it's completely different. New
So you're
Yorker.
an impractical joke.
Nah, I'm not that much of a douchebag. Don't worry, your dinghy's in good shape. No one's gonna see your dinghy.
That's Peter's.
Come on,
Come on,
Pete.
come on.
The dinghy's low key.
The dinghy's low key. No one knows where we are.
Peter, you air this thing or no?
Pete, come on. I thought you were working out.
Peter, you got air in this thing?
Yeah, it's fine. Bo, you gotta come to the beach.
Okay.
It's there.
Petey's getting No one fucks with Petey's fireworks.
He's getting nervous. Phone's getting nervous.
Come on, Fody.
You have shoes?
No, I don't got shoes.
Bo, where are they? Bodie. Oh, you found them. Nice.
You wanna ride?
I'm jumping.
Oh, hell yeah, actually? Really? Oh, okay, tomorrow you gotta rip them. And they're out.
Maybe let's head out to sea. Ow, I stubbed my toe on a dock.
Yeah, I didn't know there was ducks out here. Okay, you guys look actually ridiculous right now. What do you guys got there right now? Smuggling stuff? Come on, guys, you know this is illegal.
Give her hell, man. Give her hell.
Watch the light.
We're in the
This is actually hysterical. Looks like you guys are
Bahamas.
smuggling.
We're shooting up to Florida.
Yeah,
Right now.
look at these smugglers.
It's smugglers. There he goes. Wow, we look like ghosts right now.
I got the lantern. Travel around.
Yeah, the empty boxes.
Yeah,
All right, come on. What do you got, Pete? What do you got?
And just take, not the big ones, but anything that has like multiple, take out and just set it to the side and break the box down.
So like these, Pete?
Yes. Empty those boxes. Break the box after. Like the empty cardboard box.
Pete broke out the big guns this year.
This is guns time.
Windy though, that's the only thing.
My boss man says you guys aren't breaking the boxes right.
It's a little wet, Pete. Might not burn too well. Well,
Dude, life
Well,
is
yeah.
always great when things are wet.
they like super
There's
jets.
a few of them you can't break.
Ladies love super jets.
Ladies love a super jet. The basement's always flooded.
Has been one time me and Pete haven't picked up a lady on a super jet.
Oh!
Come on, Pete, look at this. These two guys can pick up ladies on super jets.
There's two dudes that is fucking bulletproof that you're gonna be.
Wacky Tobacky.
Come on.
Kyle, you're not breaking the box correct.
You gotta get some of the names of these. Look at this one, you ready? Wacky Tobacky. The jelly.
I'm gonna pull these out.
Leave this one in.
What is
Who's this guy?
That's one of the biggest ones I have. Don't really lean on
Are these fireworks that sensitive to touch?
it. No, I don't want to risk it. And motherfucking Dan, it's $450 for that one fucking piece. For once in your life, please just don't piss me off.
No, give me the handle here.
Yeah, I got it.
It literally feels like it's in my face.
Literally, it's on top.
So me,
Probably can't see
Pete,
anything.
and Kyle lost their jet skis. We had three of them.
3 super jets tied to a rope, and they're just gone after the fireworks show.
At least we saw the
Dark.
fireworks show. He was
Oh, yeah,
stressing
I mean,
and little.
They couldn't have gone.
Okay, wait,
far,
time
man. They're-
out, real quick.
Yeah,
wait,
someone
Pete.
grab this.
Pete's gotta get in this shot real quick.
Pete was
hop in
sinking
this
earlier,
hop in this shot real quick. You gotta come back here. Okay, so Pete was not this Pete, that Pete was nervous about the fireworks show.
We're all helping him set
and we were
up.
helping him. And lo and behold,
paying
we
attention.
have 3 jet skis that are floating downstream.
No, they're downstream or they're literally
or they're
underwater.
sunk
right
underwater.
Yo, just keep the lights like away from our house.
Here. I think Peter is facing this way.
No, damn. Do we have any more?
Calm down.
If anyone should be worried, it should be me beating Kyle.
Do we not? I thought you were looking for a flashlight.
Maybe you hit the duck your head.
It might. I can't tell. It might still be on the.
All right, it's gonna be way down there, if anything.
Dude, I can't believe we lost 3 jet skis. Not 1, not 2.
How are we
but
gonna
all
get
3.
back up though?
We're gonna have to drive them or tow them all.
We might have to drive.
Doesn't fucking run, so.
Oh, yeah, we're really dumb. We didn't bring
Well, at least we'll find the spot where they're at.
All right, so there's somewhere up. They gotta be up the side.
Alright, go up the coast.
Yeah, just turn the light off for now. It's like
It was a decent amount down. Yeah, it was like in a little cove. Pete and Dan, 1 in the morning, searching for his jet ski. Actually ridiculous, man. Which girl?
Miriam
Why?
is crying and shit.
Why?
I don't know.
Wait, legitimately?
Yeah.
No way.
She was not having like that.
Having what?
I think she was just like upset. She was cold and soaking.
No way, really? Oh, dude. No way. Okay. This is actually ridiculous. Okay, Pete. This is ridiculous. Dude, how far do we have to pick this thing up? Is that seagrass and stuff on it? Yeah. Well, oh, dude, yeah, at least we found it. What do you think, Pete?
Looks good, man. It didn't sink, man. So I'm happy. Just don't want to be sitting in this intersection.
Yeah, well, I mean, I was telling them we're very sorry. We tried to come and help, but I can't do much here, man.
Trucks
We
fucking
tried our
dead.
best.
Yeah, we're good. We'll figure it out. We're
They almost died at the boat ramp in the water.
It died. It died backing it up. It died backing the boat in.
It won't run.
It's lit up like a Christmas tree. Well, in the middle of an intersection.
Yeah, well, you know
and-
we're hanging out.
Take a look.
Take a look. Take a look. Take a look. There are a few straps. It is what it is.
Yeah. I'm
Well, we'll
sorry,
figure it
Brian,
out.
But, We tried.
Well, tell Peter to drop him.
Just tell Peter to come with his ball on his head.
After he drops off Brian.
His balls in his hands. Come pick up Pete, Dan, and Kyle.
Just come here and just pull us to the side, and then we'll figure it out from there. But
yeah, we always figure things out. I wonder if this was anyone else in this position.
Brian,
like,
I know
shame,
it's
so
not
we're
myself, but we
just stick
tried.
a pause
We
out
got
and
in
just
the
hang
car.
out.
We put the jet skis in the back.
Stay
We're
tuned.
driving to it. Hello?
Well,
Yeah, well,
found a buddy.
some dude literally just hooked up to us in a Ram 1500 to tow us to the parking lot, and now a cop just cops.
how's it going, guys?
You guys getting in an accident?
No, we're getting pulled.
We were gonna go to the BP gas station.
No, we're all good, man. I
They know what
appreciate
the
it.
problem is. No, we have chains, dude. We have chains. Yeah, we're gonna try and get to the BP just because it's on this side of the road. I mean, or Snowshoe. We'll see. See if this cop even lets us do it.
No, the cop's gonna help us out. Literally, he said that we can get
No, if you block those
Good old boys in blue.
I'll go in front.
Dude, I told you, the boys in blue always help you out.
What are they doing?
They're blocking the traffic off for us.
Oh, fucking sweet. Good shit. They gotta get a video.
No one would believe this if we actually explained what our life stories are.
This happens easy.
Look, the cop's gonna block the whole traffic for us. Random dudes towing us over. And Pete's worried about the M3.
Yeah, I'm not worried about that. I just want to see this fucking M3.
Off to fix the F-150. Another day.
Another dollar lost.
Yeah,
Now
exactly.
get a Big Mac, can we?
Oh no, we gotta go to Chick-fil-A.
McDonald's is across the street.
Fuck, it's Sunday.
It's Sunday, it's not open.
Oh, it's already going
Big
bad.
Mac.
Kyle. I tell you, it's gonna get fixed. Well, truck's broken. Not really motivated to work. Got some Wendy's.
Mandated union break.
Yeah. Matter of
Got
fact,
some Wendy's, chicken sandwich, whatever. Chicken sandwich, smoke a cigarette, get to work.
we'll figure it out later. What do you mean?
Like, see this? You think it has to be bolted to metal for it to work?
I don't know. You can just plug it in. We'll see if it works or not. Advanced AutoZone coming in clutch.
How clutch?
We'll see. Kyle, how's your dinner table going?
This thing, most versatile machine you could ever buy. It broke down, but she's good.
Okay, I think so far everybody's thing here has broken down. Right?
Everything in this truck broke down already. Pete's ski sank.
Everything here actually broke
Mine
down.
didn't work. I don't know. Did Dan's break at all?
Yeah, mine sunk. You remember? It didn't
Oh
start
yeah,
up.
it wouldn't start yesterday.
And then now the truck's broken. All right, how are we looking down there, Pete? All right, give her a rip. Dude, I'm crossing my fingers this thing starts. No fucking way!
We got